last session, we understood find and find all. In this session, we will see what replace and replace all is. So in case we want to find out Joseph, which we did in the last session, but now there is one additional requirement, and the requirement is that we want to replace this value with this because the name of the spelling is wrong. So we will press Control F, go to replace section. What we want to find out? We want to find out Joseph, Joseph spelling, and we want to replace it with Joseph. In case we click on replace, what is happening? Microsoft Excel cannot find a match. Why? Click on the sheet, then click on replace. It cannot find the match. We will check if we have that value here or not now. So let's check very quickly again. It has the value, but again it did not find. What happened? Go here and again click on replace. So it basically replaced. Earlier it was not able to find because of some random error, I guess. When you click on it again, replace, it says it cannot find a match. So probably it replaced whatever it got, right? Close, and now check in this filter if we have this old spelling here or it has been replaced. So we have we do not have the earlier spelling, we have the latest spelling with us. So it has been replaced. How to use replace all? So in case we have like Ima written 3 times, 1, 2, 3, right? And we want to replace Ima with like Ima with, for example, Tina, right? How will we go ahead? We'll say Control F, replace. We want to replace Ima with Tina, and we will click on replace all. So what it done? It did. It says all done. We made 4 replacements. So basically, it will replace all the values together in single hit. So that is replace all. And when we click on replace, it will replace the value one by one. So this is the difference.